What are you doing, Zhuhai?
How are you, buddy? So this morning we were out and we got my new Mini 4 Pro. We traded in my Mini 2 and we got a new controller and we got a new everything. Last night I tried to fly my Mini 2 and it just gave me trouble, so we went to the DJI store this morning and we picked up a new DJI Mini 4. So this is its first flight, really. I threw it around the parking lot a little bit. So we're here. We're here. If you look over there, there's a theater and the red boat where we had our wedding celebration. And if you go over here, on this side over here, you can see the Lady of the Sea right there. And if you look out over across the China Sea, there's the Hong Kong-Macau bridge right there. And here, over here, if you look off in the distance, there's they call it the Zhuhai balcony, and it's a very popular beach over there. You can see hundreds and hundreds of people all the way along here. It's a Friday evening around 5:30, 6 o'clock. I'm not really sure what time it is, but there are thousands of people here, and the traffic here is just absolutely crazy. So.
Let's go. Go to work.
Hi.
Hi. Let's go work.
Okay.
Take a beautiful view. Beautiful picture. Ooh, cool. See?
Many people are standing here looking. Look at how many people are here.
I see. So how many people look?
Darling, that's in my way. So.
Go down, we look. You go down, we look.
I know, we're going to the boat. Look.
Oh. Look here, he go to work here. Hi, Mega. Thank you. Don't do that. Wow, it's more beautiful in the sky, the evening.
Yeah.
See? Here. You say
That's the gateway to the red boat and the theater. That's the gate to get in there.
There you are.
I'm going to start there, yeah.
Wow, look at this way.
Oh, wow. That'll look beautiful over there.
Oh, my camera, you can't see.
No, all you can see is lights here. And I'm going to fly over that with my drone here shortly.
Yeah.
Okay, tonight we came to a Zhuhai theater. It's a very popular tourist destination. I'll fly my drone around and let's have a good look around here. So I guess that's why it's so busy.
这是珠海的那个大剧院，这里我们来到。白天我们也拍了，晚上现在我们又来到这里。老公想在这里再用那个无人机拍一下。哇，好漂亮啊！珠海的夜景太美了。哇，好beautiful呀！哎呀，开心，I'm so happy.
Awesome, like, and this is the Zhuhai theater, and these big buildings here in front of us they're kind of replicas of the Australia theater.
Yes.
But it says Zhuhai theater, and there's two buildings here, and there people come here for concerts and operas, Zhuhai opera or the Chinese opera. You know, it's for music. It's a theater. So, but anyway. Underneath here is a Huafa shopping mall. Yeah, I was just in there and I showed you guys how busy it is. And like I was saying there earlier, today's a Thursday night, but it is the Sunday.
珠海的大剧院广场，我们来到华发广场也是。我们老公想拍一下珠海的夜景。
I'm just ready for my first night flight here. They didn't recommend I put on my little night lights there that I bought before.